Uniforms, it will not be harder for school administration to recognize their students.
No, it is not because all the we are talking about people who are not afford uniform, and we are talking about not affording uniform, and the people, the students who are really want to learn, and really want to study. Every teacher remind that student everywhere if they see any place.
Yes, I want to ask the same question as Mohan teacher asked. They also other days also need money. They will not come for free. It is. We should then we see our friends wearing those classy dresses that we also want. Then what we do if we want to wear like them? Because it's human nature to do something that others did, and it will take more money to do that than dresses.
You can get cheap dresses in footpath also, and it is more cheap. It is more cheaper than your uniform, which we found in footpath.
I would like to add more to that. Um, Clothes are we can buy expensive clothes in thrift stores. Prada, Dior, and Fendi. We can buy those designer, big branded names in thrift stores for cheap prices. People don't even wear their bags and designer purses once, and they give it to the thrift stores. And thrift stores don't even put much value to that items, and we can buy that item. And we can also buy trendy clothes in local markets. Trendy clothes are just fast fashion, and they are not gonna stick forever. And local brands have also copied them. So yeah. I think it needs more, no, more. We should do hard work. We should go find them cheap clothes, and it make us like we were cheap. We are not bad. From our childhood, we started thinking that we can afford big things. We can afford like Dior, yeah, Sister Dior, Chanel, Calvin Klein. Then we think that we can afford. From our childhood, our mentality changed to negative, that we cannot afford those branded clothes in childhood, but in school uniform we can wear like a whole week or dress, and there will be no discrimination. Everyone will wear same, and then we should not go to found like cheap clothes and make our mentality like cheaper from childhood. So. And I want to ask someone, and if there will be any games and or extracurriculum activity inter-school, how can other people can recognize these schools? Because there are many schools in our community nowadays. So how can they will recognize that they are representing the schools? They are representing their school. Because everyone, yeah.
You also participate in that Rashtrapati Running race, but there is but there you see the Sagun students are not in jerseys. Other all are in jerseys. Yes, but some of them are not in there, and they are show their personality by their performance, not by their jerseys. And I want to ask, I want to tell that all the people have to live simple and think high level. Okay, not live high level and think low level.
And do you think wearing this outdoor dresses in a school is higher thinking? Do you think that? Because it's useful rules and regulations to represent their house, to represent their school. And you said that in Sagun school, some student, yeah. Yeah, and you said that the people's. Yeah, we don't recognize those who are in like outdress in Sagun. We don't recognize that they are representing Sagun school. So I wanted, yeah, we should change our mindset according to our time. So it is now you have to set the mentality that uniform are required. And I want to ask, can't outsider can enter school easily and pose risks to student, cause teachers also can't recognize their all student?
I think today's schools are not much studentless. They have record of their students who is in school and who is not. They can also keep a guard there at the gate and recognize what the students are not. They have ID card if they do not have uniform. And I would like to ask you a question. The higher students, parents can bring, bought money to the bought clothes for their children, but there are 17% people in Nepal who are below poverty level. If they try to feed uniform, some of them only get meals twice a day. If they bought uniform, they will not get. And education is not more important than health.
I really want to ask, is it ID card is not a part of uniform? Is it a part of our school uniform?
And I wanna ask that he said it will affect the health, and then what about say your team's friends said that cheap clothes they will buy cheap clothes. Do you think cheap clothes are healthy for us? Because they are like already wear. Yes, second hand. They are already worn by someone else. And do you think that that clothes will help will be healthy for us? And it will not be not be pressure to the student to wear expensive and trendy clothing to fit in with friend group if parents can't afford. First of all, I would like to say that thrift clothes are not dirty. They are truly examined and put in the stores so that people can buy it. And why do we have to wear those trendy and expensive clothes just to fit in with other people? See,
Because everyone is human nature that we all know that it's human nature. We see like celebrities and we want to become like them, but we don't see their hard work. This is the point. And then she said that all the cheap clothes are not they are examined by peoples, but I think they are already wear. No, they are used. They are already used. It doesn't mean that it is not healthy or healthy, but they are already used by. We are using second hand. We don't like to use second hand things, and we are. It will change our mentality. No, in future also we like second handed thing. We will bought second handed thing. We don't like second handed things, and it doesn't mean expensive clothes or something. It will be very easier. No, why are you going so like far? Why are you thinking it is easy? What's wrong with school uniform? There is nothing wrong. And they are talking about like cheap clothes and then second handed, and then they are telling that examined by. Why are you thinking so far? School have given uniform, then why don't you wear? It is easy for us. Then everyone is going far thinking like we should go footpath buy or examined clothes we will wear. Then they don't think it is easier. School have provided us uniform, and then they are thinking going far. They are doing harder work. So I think.
yes, I do agree that school provide uniform, but we have to buy that uniform with our own money. The school doesn't provide it for free, and there is not just one uniform that we have to buy. There are several uniforms that we have to buy, along with the shoes and entire attire. There are more than one attire that we have to buy, and we not we but many people, many families can't afford to buy that uniforms to their children. It would be like they wouldn't have enough money to buy books and copies to send their kids to school if they buy uniform, or they wouldn't have enough money to eat if they buy uniform to send their children to school.
And do you think that the clothes you tell it is cheaper? Do you think it comes for free? Because it doesn't come for free. No, we should buy them also. They are cheaper, I know, but school uniform. One time we bought a school uniform. Then we should not buy for a long term. It will not. We should not buy for long term. And then if we buy like outer clothes, then we should buy, because we want different. No, we want different clothes. If there will be no uniform, we want to wear different in different days, seeing friends or something. But cheap clothes also we need to buy them also. And cheap means affordable, or we can afford those we can afford school dresses, but we can afford the outdoor clothes. clothes. She need to buy regularly to wear new. I'm pointing I'm clarifying her point Yeah, people need to buy they need to they want to wear new clothes new days, and which will not come for free. She said school dress will not for free, so other clothes also not for free.
So, do you think the homeless people in the streets, where do they think they got their clothes from?
They study in government school. First of all, they study in government school, and in this 21st century, our education system in Nepal are also providing free educations. First of all, and they provide.
Even the uniforms are provided.
Yes, uniform are all provided by school, and scholarship, books, copies, all are provided to the to the smaller people or who are cheap, who can't afford. Or in government school, they nowadays they are providing food also. In tiffin break, they are providing tiffin for those who can afford. So I think it will not be harder to those. So it will be more harder if there will be no uniform, because it will not provided by the government school also. If there will be no uniform, then government school will not provide, and they can't afford outer one, I think, because government school provide only uniform, not outer clothes.
You do realize that there are millions of students and children in Nepal, and only few of the government schools are providing these essential things to the students.
No. Most of them are providing nowadays. I think you don't know the constitution of Nepal. Nowadays, all of the government school are providing good education and quality education. Yes, there are some places, remote area, where there is no development, so there is no school, and other places also. They can buy. If they can buy uniform, then they can buy our outer clothes also at that type of remote place.